Welcome to Circuit Studies, breaking down each F1 track race by race. Today's lesson, the Spanish Grand Prix. The Circuit de Barcelona Catalunya actually has a pretty cool history. It was built in 1991 and hosted the Spanish Grand Prix for the very first time that year, but it was actually built as part of the 1992 Barcelona Olympics development program, where the track actually acted as a start-finish line for a cycling event. Now, the race itself has got 66 laps. The lap length is 4.657 kilometers, 14 turns going anti-clockwise, and 2 DRS zones. At the end of the first DRS zone is where we'll see the most overtaking, so turn 1, and overtaking on this track is pretty difficult, so it really does put the emphasis on qualifying. This track is well known by teams and drivers alike because since its opening in 1991 it has been used as a testing track. Primarily it started out for winter testing, and then from the early 2000s to 2022 it used to host F1's official pre-season testing. And why is that? Well, this track has everything. If a car is strong here aerodynamically, it's most likely going to be strong at most of the other tracks. The track is so diverse. It's got everything. It's got slow, medium and fast corners. It's got a long straight measuring at 1.047 kilometers. So for evaluating the overall car performance, the balance, the setup, the tires, the track really does give all of the data. Due to the layout and the technicalities of the track and the track surface, it's got a high track abrasion. A significant load is placed on the tires. So Pirelli have elected the hardest trio in the range. The C1 is the hard, C2 is the medium and C3 as the soft. Turn 3, the long right-hander, as well as the final 2 corners of this track, turns 13 and 14, are fast right-handers. So tire stress will be high. Lateral forces are high also, so you will hear a lot of tire talk this weekend, and typically this is a 2-stop race. A few other things to note: turn 9 is a blind approach due to the elevation changes. We'll see more than a few gravel traps, so drivers really need to be careful to avoid being beached, and this weekend we'll see the introduction of a technical directive concerning the flexibility of the front wings. Now, could this affect performance? Well, leaders McLaren have insisted that nothing will change for them, but we will find out. And of course, this is a home race for both Fernando Alonso and Carlos Sainz. So there's your Spanish Grand Prix Circuit Studies all ready for the race. I'll see you for lights out.